Introducing the ultimate shaving device, the incredible wet-dry shaver from Panasonic. Its powerful linear motor drives 5 ultra-sharp nanotech blades at 14,000 cycles per minute to plow through the toughest facial hair with power to spare. Precision lift tech and finishing foils combine with an advanced slit blade to effectively cut even flat-lying hairs cleanly near the base, while helping to protect your skin from irritation. Its floating head and slightly arched blades keep the foil in close contact with your skin to enable fast, effective shaving that's gentle even for sensitive skin. And its exclusive shaving sensor technology automatically senses and adjusts to the density of your facial hair, speeding up and using a wider path when it encounters thicker stubble, and slowing down and using a more narrow path where your facial hair is lighter and thinner. The result is an incredibly close, comfortable shave that's gentle on your skin. Shaving technology has finally evolved to meet your exacting standards with the Arc 5 Wet Dry Shaver, only from Panasonic.